Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. It's 2:07 in the morning, Tuesday, April 15th, 2017. What I have today is a brown gold line hitched up to a solid state control. So, I'm actually going to, well, can't really see the Banvil logo, but I'm going to zoom in on that, move the camera around once I do the presentation. So without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. Start off on high. This is about as low as it'll go. And spin down. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please stay tuned for more fan videos. Click like on this if you would, and subscribe to my page called the Fancave. And check out my Facebook page of the same name. I absolutely love these fans right here. These gold lines. There was the library in my town had a whole smattering of these back in the day, and they renovated it in I think it was back in '97, and they ripped out all the fans for some reason. They were always on low, and you could always hear the buzzing, because they had them all set up on a solid state control, obviously, all spinning in unison. So anyway, they're all gone, but luckily I have a few gold lines, so thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck. We're going to need it.